each one say something about it.
This one you call a room heater.
That is a room heater.
Room heater.
And we're gonna learn how to open and fix it, right?
Yes.
So we also have what? What else we have? Go one by one first on all of them. Shower. Moja. Sema yote jina.
This is a shower. Shower.
A shower head.
Yes.
Okay, and we're gonna learn how to fix it.
Yeah. You have to know.
How to open, how it works, what is inside,
yes.
And we also have hair cutter machine.
The hair cutting machine.
So we're gonna be working on it, and we're gonna be opening and seeing what's in it. And we're also gonna learn what is this known as. Contactor.
Yes.
So this one you can connect so many cables into it,
yes.
And each one where it goes and how it functions and what goes wrong.
Oh, yes.
And we also have, what is this?
Hair
blower.
Yes.
Heat blower, hair blower, hair dryer,
yes.
Whatever the machine is used. So today we have one item, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we're gonna fix each one of them separate. Go ahead and let's work on it.
Okay.
We're gonna start with the fan.
Yeah.
So he's gonna just remove one screw. How many screws?
It's about
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Around 6 screws on the sides and on the bottom, on the top. Okay. Okay, so we just remove the screws and you can easily separate. Okay, tell us what's inside now.
Inside, we have a fan.
We have a fan.
That fan, in the time the heater is coming on, the fan is spreading the heat.
Okay, it spreads the heat.
They're spreading
the heat around, okay?
Around the house. Yeah.
So next, what goes wrong?
By now, the element is okay, but the fan is not working.
So the element is this. This is the element.
This is the element.
Which carries the heat around.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So.
So we have another thing here. We call it thermostat.
Thermostat.
Yes.
So
this one.
The thermostat looks like this. Okay. So
in
what
the
happens?
time the heater is heating, the thermostat can't allow the heat going beyond the temperature.
So the thermostat controls the heat.
Yes.
Okay, great.
The thermostat, the control of this. We have a control.
Control.
Yeah. This control it is helping for if you want to put on.
Okay.
You put with that.
So when you're switching from here.
This is a switch.
Okay. So you're switching it on and off from here, and this is on the other side was on it.
Right. Yes.
Okay. What else?
I think
those are the main thing in the fans.
In the fans.
Okay.
So we have to put it on first.
So let's hook it in. Have to put
it on first. See what's going on. What is happening?
So we're gonna go ahead and test it by connecting it. Unayo kijiti. Ngoja. Hey. I don't know if this will work. Okay, so he's gonna connect it.
Because we don't have any top plug, we have to put it direct.
Okay.
Yes. 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 Okay, sawa. Okay, sawa. Haya.
So he hooked it in there.
That it is.
Now the fan is
The fan
functioning
is-
well.
It's
And you
working.
can see is
If you
it indicates the
the
indicator.
heater is on.
Yeah, well, I can
See
feel the
this?
heat. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can feel the heat.
Yeah.
As and that side shows that indicator. What is this known as?
That is the power lighting.
Power lighting.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Power lighting.
Got it. Okay. Turn it off. We don't want to have. We don't want to suck a lot of heat
Yes.
into our system.
Yeah.
Just start it off now.
Yeah.
So when testing, what goes wrong on these fans most of the time?
Most of the time, the fan is stuck in.
The fan is stuck.
Stuck, yeah.
Then when it's stuck, what happens? What
If
goes wrong?
the fan is stuck, they cannot to remove the heat outside.
They cannot bring the heat
The
out.
heat out. Yeah.
So what causes that then? What
They-
causes the fan to stuck?
The cause is the fan to start because of the greasing. If you don't grease the fan with the oil.
Or if you don't put oil, if you
Yes.
don't lubricate, that
Yes.
it can happen.
Then, yeah.
Okay.
That happen.
Got it. So this thermostat, does it go wrong sometimes? Does it blow?
This thermostat, its work is to put it on. If the heat is higher,
You lower
reduce
it.
the heat.
Huh?
You reduce the heat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Erin. Wakisha, this one over there. Oh, it's okay. Okay, so tutamaliza. Okay,
Just reducing the heat.
the thermostat reduces the
The
heat,
heat, yeah.
and this one is just the switch,
The switch.
on the other side
Yeah,
of the switch.
If you put it
Okay.
on, the switch, if you put it on, you come to the thermostat.
Is there anything else you're gonna tell us and how to test it if there's a disconnection? Do you have your tester?
Yeah, my tester I have.
Okay, so get it and let's see what we can do.
My tester is
I want you to show us how you can test
this one.
the thermostat first.
If
The thermostat.
if you want to test the thermostat, you have to look at meters. You have to look the meter. You see the way it is.
So the instructor will turn it off. Are you gonna turn it off or
yes,
on?
on.
You have to turn it on from the other side, then
Yes.
test it
Test it.
from this side.
Yeah.
So you can see. Lift this up so we can see it. Huh?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, go ahead. So he's gonna touch on both sides,
Yes.
the positive and negative. Then he's gonna find out if it's functioning or not. See? That's all you have to do to
Yeah.
test if there is continuity, right?
Yes.
Okay, got it. We have understood this one, and let's shift it to a different device.
Yes.
Okay, so he's gonna turn it off.
That is.
Got it. And what's the name of this heater anyway? This
Hot
must be
point.
hot
Point.
hot point. Hot
Yes.
point.
Hot point heat.
Okay, fan.
Yeah.
Okay, let's keep it away.
Yeah.
We're gonna get back to it, and let's shift.
Yes.
To
this
another
screws.
task.
It screws.
Yeah, keep them over here so we don't have to lose them. Will they fall in there? It doesn't matter. Just put wherever you want.
Yeah. But you put it there.
Now, so we kept the fan away,
Fan away.
and we're gonna get into
Do you have
what's inside.
Do you have a? Do you have
Flat
a,
screw.
Oh, no, no, no. Do you have a wire?
A wire.
You have a wire to put this on.
Oh, for that one?
Uh,
Okay, we can use the fancy one, but no, we cannot disconnect that. I think I have. Okay, let's move to another one which does not need any wire. Okay, that one requires a wire for us to connect it, so we're gonna keep it for later. Let's shift it to what is this known as?
Contactor.
Contactor.
Yeah.
So what are you doing right now?
This contactor it is if you want to put
Keep everything down there so you don't have to. Your body does
it
not.
is using AC
AC.
and 110 volt.
110
volt.
Okay.
Yeah.
Voltage.
If
Okay.
you have a machine of using 110, you have to use this contactor.
Okay.
See, it is written here.
Okay.
110
This is 110
to 130 volt. Yeah.
So what does it mean? The other
that is
it reduces the power from the
power, yes, yes.
higher voltage to lower.
Mostly 110 is using in Mombasa. Yeah.
Got it.
Yes.
So this, tell us more about it.
This one, this is the things they contact
Okay.
power. If you have it in here, you see, this is the.
This is okay. Tell us more about them. Any names or
This is
any?
the motor.
That's the motor.
Yes.
It rotates.
Yes.
Okay.
It's rotate. This one, if you put it on, they give
They
the
clip
power.
the
They give the power so that this thing may starting jumping.
jumping back.
The power already coming to the loops.
It pumps into the loop
Wire,
into
yes.
the loop wires. Okay.
Wires, yes. Yeah. So
Okay. Loop wire. Okay. Great.
I think we can do that experience here.
Experience of by having different connections.
Yeah.
Connection. We don't have wires for that too. Let's keep it tighten and put it. So how are you tightening this together?
Yeah.
Are you putting? Okay. There's a cable. There's a screw that goes in from here to the lower one. So they attaches them together.
Yes.
Okay.
Have to screw it like that. But main thing we have to test it.
Okay. So can we test with? Oh, we can use the tester. No?
We can use the tester, but the wire is too small.
Yeah. I mean, we don't have anything to connect. Okay. Let's keep it that for later.
Yes.
Let's jump for the other one that has a cable. This one has a cable and it has.
Yes, it has a cable, but it is working.
Okay. Keep it away from your body. Yeah. Keep it on the table.
So we have to put it.
So he's gonna connect it to the
connect
power.
it to the power.
So how to do this requires you have to operate safely.
Yes.
Don't burn yourself and don't cause any shock to your
Yeah.
own self. So this is dangerous. Don't work on it.
Yes.
Let other people do it if you don't know it. Okay, so
see.
lower so we can see it. So now it can cut the hair. It is functioning well. Off it. Turn it off. Off it.
Okay.
Switch off.
Off.
Just switch it off, on and off on the side. Okay. So now let's do the next step. What you gonna do now? How are you gonna open it? And what is in it? What is inside and how to open is what we need to see.
Yes.
So we have 3 screws on the top, and what else? So the instructor will open the lower ones, the 2 screws. Okay. Okay, and that is
See.
so he's gonna separate by just using flat screw. He sticked it from the wire and popped it out. Okay, that's what's in it.
This is the motor.
Tell us.
This is the switch.
So you said this is the motor
Yes.
and this is the switch. Well,
Switch. This one.
switch is here.
Yeah.
So what else?
If you put it on like that only, that is the cutting.
Okay, and the wire, and this is the cutting. Okay, this is the wiring.
Yes.
How many wires come into this, and what is each one of them? Tell us.
Two of them. This one is live.
That is live.
This one is neutral.
Neutral. Okay.
Yeah. If you put the neutral on, connect to the live, the power is.
So this wire that goes from here to there is live.
Live.
This is live.
Yeah.
And this one is.
That's neutral.
This is neutral.
Yes.
So to turn on, the switch is on the side of the neutral.
The neutral. Yes.
Okay, got it. Okay, so go ahead and separate it, dismantle it, and keep it the way it is right now on the table, so we can easily be. And don't turn it on. So go ahead, open the screws and to remove the motor out.
Motor out.
Yeah. So this is kind of dirty. It has hair on it. So he's gonna be removing and working on that and dismantling it. You can see that screw. Okay, we got that off, and this is the second one.
Yes.
We got.
How to
Okay,
remove this.
now he removed the motor out.
Motor out.
So what is holding is only one and two screws.
Two screws.
Okay,
Yeah.
got it. And what goes wrong into these machines most of the time?
This machine most
I
of
can
the
feel
time,
like there are a lot of hair inside.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to remove it and wash with a thinner,
Okay.
clean it. Fail to do that, the machine will fail.
The machine won't operate
Will
well.
fail. Yeah.
Okay.
Not function well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
You have to turn it back
Okay.
like that.
So we're returning it back,
Yeah.
putting the screws back.
Screws back.
Okay.
See the edge is lost.
Got it. We close that. Don't even clean, just to put it. We don't want to be. And we gotta clean this this hair over there.
Yeah.
No, don't worry. Just close it for now, safely. After finishing, we're gonna clean our table
Clean
over
the
there.
table, yes.
We don't want hair to blow everywhere.
Yes, everywhere. It's bad. It's very bad.
Plus, the hair is not ours; it's other people's hair.
See.
Okay. Now it's the shower. The shower needs a wire to be connected.
Yes.
This one is what is it known?
Contactor.
Contactor. Okay, and this one is hair blower,
Hair blower.
and that is hair cutter, and that's the fan that we worked on today. And we're gonna continue finding we can get a wire that can connect 1, 2, 3. 3 of them requiring. Okay, go ahead. Open the shower head. So he's gonna try separating it. Get it away from your body. So he just opened the shower head. You can see there's another middle one that he removed from here. Okay, go on. Go ahead. Tell us what goes wrong on this.
This shower heater, it is the element it is cutting off because
Cutting off.
Yes,
because of overheating.
They put the shower heater on without to open
Magic.
the magic.
Okay,
the water.
without opening
This
water.
one, yeah, you see. The way it is cut.
If you open, I mean, your
The
shower
shower.
without water, if you turn on
Yeah,
the switch
yeah,
and there's no water in the pipes,
yeah.
then this element can cut off.
Cut off.
So where is it connected anyway? This one that comes up from here,
This one
is it
comes-
all Is it all connected?
Yes,
It's all connected from here, from this point all the way here.
yeah. It is coming all the way, coming to here. This one also come here.
So this one also reconnects.
Yes.
So this one just cut off right now from here.
Yeah,
Is that what you're saying?
yeah,
And if you somehow reconnect to this, the shower will function.
function.
Is that what you're saying?
yeah.
Okay.
Shower.
So what else? What's the other thing that can go wrong in the shower head?
The shower head, the thing that can go wrong is the switch.
The switch itself.
Yes, the switch itself can go wrong.
Okay. The switch. Got it. So you just force it to remove.
Move. Yes.
There's nothing behind.
No. Nothing.
There's no cable.
No cable. You have to move it. This.
Will they be loose? Why they go wrong?
Yeah. Loose. Have to open it.
I know some of the shower heads are very expensive. If you can just do a small repair like this, and you
Yeah.
can be avoiding repaying
Very.
to another person. Okay, so what's on the top of the shower head is this. So tell us more about this.
This is the.
Melka la tagari.
This is the switch for the shower.
This
If
is
you-
the switch. Okay,
yeah.
go ahead, show us.
If you put it like that, the shower is coming on.
So this is the switch that
Yeah.
rotates, that controls the
Yeah.
switch.
You
So
have to
what is
pass it.
where is it making connection when you push it this way? I don't see anything moving.
Connection is be given. You see, see here.
Oh,
You see here. This is the
so this
contact.
this why if you move it around,
If you move it around,
the plastic will
electric is
come in
coming
between the two the
You
two
see?
metal.
Yeah.
That is wow,
You
crazy.
see.
So if you just remove this,
Yeah.
you take it out, and this
Yeah.
two
It's
will have
coming to
contact with each
contact.
other, and then
Yes.
it will heat.
Yeah.
It will allow the element to
Element
to
to
heat.
heat.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that's okay.
Yeah.
We only understand how to, switch the buttons,
Yes.
but what goes into it, we don't know it. But today we have understood some of it. So this switch goes here. This plastic can separate between this connection,
Yeah.
and it can also disconnect between these two.
These two.
So, and this is for the hand.
And yeah.
Wow. Go ahead, man.
Yeah.
What else? What else can go wrong on the shower
I
head?
think so if you want to disconnect completely, the heater to become off, you have to put it kati-kati. all
In the
of
middle.
them.
Okay.
Yes.
If you want to dismantle, if you want to
Yes.
separate,
Separate.
and then you're gonna remove this one,
You
two,
put it
and three,
that, yeah,
and four for
Yeah.
the switch.
for the switch.
Okay. And what is this side? This is for the magic to go or the electricity?
We each one. Electricity.
This is for the electricity, and this is for the
Electricity coming.
water.
Yeah.
Output or
This
input?
one is for the.
Is it output or input?
This one is input
Input. Then the water will
is
be
coming here
dropped from here.
and come and dropped here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Input and then output.
Output.
Okay. And we now understood that does this have diode or anything reduces
No.
the
No,
temperature
doesn't have.
thermostat? Nothing.
It is coming directly.
Directly.
Yeah.
So this can be
Direct.
So we all need to be careful of what we're dealing with.
Yes.
This electricity is not easy.
Yes. Not easy.
So this is just a casing for these wires, right?
This is why we have.
How many wires are there?
Three of them.
One, two,
Earth,
three.
Earth, life, neutral.
Okay.
Bus.
Ground, neutral, and life.
And life,
Okay.
yeah.
We got it. Go ahead and reconnect all of them into this pipe
Yeah.
to prevent them touching the water. Okay.
Have to put like that.
They have to be separate.
Yeah.
Okay.
Separate.
Go ahead. Put the casing.
Okay. We want to turn it back.
To put it back,
Yeah.
get it closer, far away from your body. The switch has to line up for you to turn it off, right?
Yeah.
You have to adjust this to its location. Otherwise, you
Yes.
cannot put the LED on it.
That on.
Okay.
I turn it.
Now that one is completely
Yeah.
closed
Closed.
and it will function normal.
Normal.
Now we gotta figure out way we can connect to this. Can we solder it?
Yes.
Can we put the
we can.
solder wire? Should we use this or
Yeah.
a different one?
This one.
We can use this.
Yeah.
Okay, show us how you're gonna do it. Even the soldering, we gotta do it all, right, guys? So I have connected my.
Soldering. We have to.
Do we have to have a wire?
Like that.
This. What did you do now?
I remove
Just removed
this.
what?
Yes. This
That's
one.
is that film?
You have to put it here. This one.
Where we gonna put it?
You have to turn it like this.
Okay. So you're gonna pull this wire around all the way until it reaches on the other side, and we're gonna connect to this. Oh shit! I dropped it up. Okay. So that connector, that wire finally reaches here and get connected. Okay, go ahead. So you're gonna pull this cable, this line, all the way until it reaches here,
Yeah.
and that plastic we're gonna weld it on this.
Yeah.
So we have our soldering gun.
You want to weld it.
Okay, that is it hot enough? Hey, don't burn yourself. This is not even on. It's off. So let's turn it on. Okay. Kahit unutan. Now, this is risky to work on this, so be careful. Don't burn yourself.
Yes.
I can feel like still not that hot. What happened? I need
Not
to
hot.
need to press it a little down, I think. Was this on? That's on. Maybe this black is not working well then. Okay, so
But this
this
shower
shower,
heater is for salt water.
salt water.
Yeah.
Why is it?
Salt water. We have a salt water and pure water.
Pure water and the salt water,
Yeah.
sour water. The element, this one is working now. It's functioning well.
It's working.
Yeah, it's functioning well. What did you do now? So okay. So as you can see, this one is connected on this side. As this is connected, we're gonna connect this one too. Okay? And this one. This plastic is what we need to connect to this long wire that goes in. As this is connected, we have to connect the other one.
Yes.
So these long cables, they will share this blue connectors. One, this one goes into this plastic,
Yes.
and then it finally comes again, goes into the lower one,
Oh.
and then this one goes here, and that we have to pull it back to bring it on this connector.
Yeah.
Now I'm ready to
And we have a knife here.
knife. Oh, I don't have a knife. So just bring it here and show us what you're doing. Are you trying to separate, open
Want to
the
open The push clip.
Push clip. So this is known as push clip.
Push clip.
So we're gonna open that push clip and we're gonna place this wire into that push clip, okay?
Yes.
And then we're gonna melt it, solder it on this one, on its location. So this is why we're gonna put it here.
Yes.
So the instructor will
Yes.
try to open this. However you can do it, you have to figure out how to separate that wire, the
Yeah.
clip.
The clip. Have to separate it. So we can put this one.
The wire in there. Okay, go
Wire
ahead,
in.
put it.
That.
So the wire is already in, and you can bend on it. Or you have to put more into it. So he's clipping over the wire and force it, as you can see it.
Pass.
Okay,
It's okay now.
we got that.
So we need to weld now.
To weld it. Now this one is ready. The heat is ready.
Yeah, okay.
So it's time now to get to the real work. You do it. Here,
Where is the knee?
the plastic. Here.
No. Where is
The wire.
what do you call the wire?
The soldering wire is what I need to grab. Okay. So let's keep it on this here for now.
Good.
So after long missing, long trip, I got the wire, the soldering wire, and the instructor will do his work.
Carry it.
Okay. Should I be helping you with this? Okay. So he's gonna be putting it one side on the heat and one side the soldering wire. It smells so bad. If you have asthma, don't get close to this work.
Yes.
So we are soldering the wire and the connector together.
See, this is brush.
That's the brush.
Yes.
So the wire will not come off anymore.
Can't.
It's soldered there.
Yeah.
Okay. Now
Can't.
let's put the wire back to its location.
Okay.
This plastic, we're gonna return it back to where we took it off. So then, hold on. Let's see the way you're gonna do. Okay, do it. So he's gonna pull it. Keep the spring that's loaded there will be dragged all the way until it reaches where we cut the plastic off. So we're gonna solder that together again. So let me hold for you. You go ahead and work on the soldering. Okay. You just stick it in there.
Yes.
Is that a block?
Yeah.
Okay, remove it and let's see how you're gonna do it. Lalisha kidogo. When you put it, we can easily see them. So, right there, put it there. So that female block will go over that tiny blue block right there. Push it in now. Good. So that's how to repair shower head. Shower heater.
Yeah.
Okay. Got it. I think this one we are done.
Yeah. Yeah, done that.
Okay. So how are we gonna put this back?
How
Show
to
us.
Put it like this.
You're just gonna force it in. Press it in. Okay, that's it. This. Okay. Put the cover on.
This side
And this
cover.
one. This one, you just keep rotating it until it tightens well. Got it. Okay. Shower head completed. Okay,
Completed.
great. Okay,
It can work now.
now it can work. It will function well.
Yes.
Great. Hey, we have learned today how to fix this shower head.
Yes.
And let's keep it away. So we need wire for those two.
Two.
Okay, so
That's-
let's do stop the video here and see you guys for next instruction
Yeah.
and how we're gonna learn something new every day until we become technicians that can repair home appliance and electricity. Okay,
Yes.
let's be safe. If you don't like this electricity work, please avoid it. It's risky business.